Terror begins again.
Hey guys, good morning. Here we represent Team Lizards from West's Dream Team, and today's in this leadership series session we are going to witness an amazing leader, a person who is not only leader, he is also creator of leaders. Okay, so he's none other than Mr. Shrikar Tejas sir from all over Hyderabad, Telangana state. And guys, I'm telling you, everyone starts their journey at the age of 22 to do a job, but he is the one who started at the age of 18, and at the age of 22 he made himself a self-made lakpati, and he gifted himself a black beauty car called Skoda Rapid worth of 15 lakhs. And today in this session we are going to listen his amazing journey, his ups and downs, and his success things and his failures things, what he learned and what he faced, and how he reached this level. So if you are going to concentrate next 1 hour of session, whatever he is going to tell, I am telling you, you can also be part of him, and you can also do like him great or else more than that. I don't know what you will do, but I am telling you seriously, the people who are following him today, those people are going to college not in a BMTC or like not in anything city buses. They were going in their own dream bikes. So such an amazing personality we are going to witness, and here we go.
So, yeah, we are going to invite a person who is from Hyderabad, is Diamond Director Shrikar Teja sir, a person who owns his beauty Skoda Rapid. Everyone wants a girl, many people like in this college life, but he owns his own car, Skoda Rapid car, and today he was known as self-made Lakpati, self-made millionaire, not Lakpati. Today he is earning 1 lakh per month in Vestige, and you know he's the one who is like amazing. I think so. You witnessed Atul sir, Solomon sir, right? These people, these amazing people are from this amazing person. See, till now you have seen the creatures. Now you are going to see the person who created these creatures. So such an amazing person you are going to witness. Let me invite sir. I think so. Sir was not yet joined. Just a minute. I'll get confirmation, sir. So 1 minute. Yeah. Oh, no, sir is not yet joined. Let's wait for sir. So some people are little sad. Some people are like doing their work. Guys, don't do your work on your video. You just sit in front of the video. Okay. I hope you people are busy, but still, a person who is already busy, he's giving us time. Like, let's learn from him. Okay. So 1 minute, guys. Sir is going to join. Actually, sir was in another meet. He is going to come. I hope today you people are thinking that 5 p.m. right? Sorry, this is the 6 p.m. So can anyone expect the surprise what we are going to do last? So okay, not an issue. No. See, we are going to invite whom? Right? Text in a chat box. See, sir was in. He need to know. Don't text privately. Text for everyone. Who is going to come? Come on, many people, many. Lot of people. Right? So no, only hurry up fast. Shrikar sir, yes. So I'm with inviting the person, Mr. Shrikar Teja sir from all over from Hyderabad. and a legendary person who creates a legends always. Okay, yes, sir. Like we are happy to witness you here with Team Wizards team. We are very happy and we are very glad to see you. We are really excited from last 24 hours to see you and to witness you.
So, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is fine. Everybody is doing well. Muniji, I don't know which language to speak. Does everybody know Telugu or Hindi or Kannada? I don't know.
Better English, sir. All over, like it will be covered.
Okay, okay. So, good morning, guys. People don't know me. My name is Srikar Teja. So, I'm from Hyderabad. So, maybe you might have seen me in SIC, so South India Convention, if you people have come. And I'm very happy that Muniji has invited me for this meeting. So I just reached my home. And I am starting a meeting. So it's not a prepared meeting. It's not something like this. He just asked me to share my journey and share my story. I'll tell. I think if my voice is audible, if everybody is listen, I'm expecting a thumbs up from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Few thumbs ups. Yeah. సో మునీజీ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ ఆస్క్ యూ అంటే మీకు ఏం అడగాలంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ చెప్పమంటారా లేకపోతే మీ టీమ్ కి కావాల్సింది చెప్పమంటారా ఏం చెప్పాలి షుడ్ ఐ టెల్ హార్డ్ స్టోరీ ఆర్ ద ఈజీ స్టోరీ
Both, sir.
బోత్
Yeah.
సో no problem, I'll tell you the truth. I'll tell you very easy. I'll tell you everything whatever is a fact. I hope you people will learn from my story. So guys, talking about my story, Telugu comfortable, sir. Continue with Telugu. So only I think Prasadji is comfortable. I don't know others are not comfortable.
Some half of the people are from Bangalore, Karnataka.
So guys, I don't know Kannada. I don't know just Namaskara and Kengidira, Chennagidira, just small basic. I know nothing more than that. So hello guys, I'll get into my story without any delay. So to be frank, I'm very happy that my father made me join in a good school. I belong to ICSE school. Okay, so that was a good part in my life. But I was very ambitious. I was a guy who had a very big dream, big dreams, big things I wanted to do in my life. But unfortunately, after my 10th, I was good at sports, I was good at communication, everything, but I had to join in a very beautiful college called Narayana. I think most of the Andhra people know this college. So it's a college where you have to get up, you have to go to the college, you have to sit there for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours and come back. And what will they teach you? Nothing. They'll just teach you the things repeatedly and they want you to get a good percentage. Okay, what my school taught me, there are two different ways of education. I'll tell you very clearly. My school taught me that knowledge is more important than percentage. My +1 and +2, okay, my PUC in Bangalore, they call it as PUC, it taught me that you need to get percentage, knowledge is secondary thing. Two contradictory statements by two principals. One is school principal, one is college principal. I didn't have clarity, but my gut feeling was always telling that knowledge is more important than percentage, because the questions in the question paper can't decide my future. I might know, I might not know to answer. There might be two questions I don't know. That cannot decide my future. This was my attitude. Okay, I didn't get 96, 97% and all, but I got a good score, 90 plus. And I'll tell a funny incident in my +2. What happened in 2012, maybe if you people are aware, in Andhra Pradesh, AP and Telangana together, almost 60% to 70% people failed in physics. It's a funny incident, that's why I'm sharing you. 70% people failed in physics. They complained that it's out of portion. Right, it's out of portion. Guys, it's not out of portion, it was out of question bank. It was out of question bank and people started complaining out of portion. And we had re-exams again. We had again re-exam for physics. We had improvements in second year, which is generally not there. That was a funny incident. Why am I teaching you this thing? Because people are only prepared for a set of things in life. People are not prepared for unexpected things in life. People are only prepared for the question bank. Why did I bring this point? To make you understand that in life, you will not get what you expect. The challenges, maybe the opportunities, maybe the hurdles, whatever it might be, you will get few unexpected things in your life. You have to be ready to face. Right? When I completed my +2, I never expected I will not go to a good college. I didn't go to IIT. I was not sent to NIT. I went to Geetam. Hyderabad. My parents didn't even send me to Vishakhapatnam because they didn't have so much of confidence on me that if I go there, I can't be a good boy. That was their actual doubt. Maybe if you go there, अब तुम उधर चले जाएंगे तो बिगड़ जाएंगे. You'll actually change. You'll get spoiled. They had that fear, but still I managed to go to hostel. Because I wanted to be independent, do my own work. Okay, do my own things, do my own work, and all the hostlers, a high five to all you people. We stay away from the parents for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and best part, we eat our food, we share things with our friends, positive things with our parents. We never call and cry in front of parents because they feel low, and we adjust in many things. It might be food, it might be neatness, in many things we adjust. This is the best quality of people, because trust me, my dear friend, this is the biggest learning curve in life. Your hostel life is the biggest learning curve in life. In my life, it's the biggest curve. There are different people with different attitudes. There are different people with different mentalities, different mindsets, and I managed to live with them. That was my biggest strength and biggest achievement. Okay, and in my first year, it's a funny incident that I'm from mechanical. Okay, I'm from mechanical, and I was just not sleeping, and I was roaming here and there in my maybe first year, second semester, and my feeling was very simple that everybody is having a girlfriend. I'm not having a girlfriend. I'll be truth. You asked me truth, right, Muniji? So I'm telling you
Yes,
everything
sir.
very truthfully. So I was thinking, why didn't I have? So everybody is having. So I was thinking, why didn't I take CSE or why didn't I take ECE? So I did a mistake by taking mechanical. I'm not able to. Because I expected happy days in college. Maybe in Karnataka it's Bangalore days, but in Telugu it's like happy days. I expected a lot of songs, everything in my life, which didn't happen till now. So I was actually roaming here and there, and I found a mutual friend of mine, my friend's friend, and he's a CSE guy. So I thought I'll go and sit with him and I'll speak, because as CSE people, they have 30 girls out of 60 people in the class. They have 30 girls. So I'll just speak to him. I'll ask for some number. I'll take a contact, and next what is going to happen. My intention was like this. I went to him. I met him, and actually he didn't give me anybody's number. He didn't tell about any girl, but he gave me an opportunity. He told there is something called direct selling. There is something called network marketing, from where you can become rich, from where you can do big things. So I was like, okay, fine. Life में कुछ सही नहीं चल रहा है, तो at least पैसे तो कमाएंगे. I asked how much did you earn. He told my last month I earned 13,000. I was like 13,000. Okay, good check. I'll be very frank, my dear friends. I never saw a bike to start network marketing. I never saw a car to start network marketing. I never saw anything. I just saw one thing, that is my pocket money. I had this ego, or maybe that feeling from inside, that I have to stop asking money to my father. I have to stop asking money to my father. So my intention was, I want to eat noodles, fast food, chocolates, movies, fuel, and maybe hanging out with friends, right? Chat, all these things. I want some 3,000-4,000 rupees every month. I think all the foodies can give me a thumbs up. All the foodies can. Yeah, I'm a very crazy guy. I eat like anything. I eat biryani 4 times a day, also chicken biryani. So I'm like that. I'm from Hyderabad, right? So I want money for food and snacks and to hang out. So this was my reason of, see how immature I was. That guy was telling me that you can earn lakhs, crores, bikes, cars. Nothing went into my brain except chicken biryani, right? But still, I had genuinely serious interest on earning 3,000-4,000 a month, and I never expected it in 1 month or 2 months. I thought, let me get in 5-6 months. Let it take 5 to 6 months also, no problem. But guys, I'll be very frank. Maybe because of the school skills, whatever it taught, and my mindset, my attitude. In my first month, I earned more than 11,000 to 12,000 rupees in my network marketing journey. My first month in my previous company, and I started on a very good note. So everybody gets challenges. Today I started my network marketing journey, and I met Muniji first time in Thailand. Right? You can ask him. Our trip cost everything. I spent like anything in Thailand. I spent almost 1 lakh rupees in 5 days. Okay, there were days I used to spend maybe 100 rupees. That 100 also my father used to give me. From there to 20,000 rupees a day. 20,000 rupees a day. So I'll just tell you this story. Nothing else. I'll just tell you this story. Right. So when I started, my intention was this, but I earned good money. Okay. So I thought network marketing is very easy. I'll just go. I'll just give plan. Everybody will join. Over. I'll become rich. Guys, I'll tell you very important point which might be helpful for you or in future times. Why I could start on a good note. Because everybody is like, sir, if you have earned 11 12,000 at least in the previous company also, you might have got 20 25 entries. How did you get so fastly in 2 weeks? Because I just gave presentation to my trusted friends, my school closest friends, my +1 +2 closest friends, my BTech closest friends, my seniors closest, my juniors closest. Everybody was my best buddy, who are not ready to tell no. See, if I were going to tell them that we are going to jump from here, they are going to be ready. I gave presentation to this kind of people. Many people start giving presentation to whomever they want. Don't give random presentations, guys. Start with your best friends. There are 2 points here. First point, your best friend will do everything with you. Second point, even though if your best friend makes fun of you, comments you, or cracks any joke on you, you will not feel bad. Because he's your best friend. You gave him that lenience, right? So you are not going to feel bad. This is the comfort you are going to have. Because initially, from 0 to maybe 11% in Vestige, or from 0 to 14% in your Vestige, your mind is not going to be stable. You are not going to be too much positive, right? So in this time, you have to go with your closest friend in order to stay positive, in order to ignore the negativity. This is my very important tip I wanted to tell you. When you are at zero level or when your team is at zero level, and guys, don't take your friends' comment seriously. Your best friends comment seriously. You gave them the right to comment. For example, let's assume I only came to you people and I showed you the plan. I told there's an opportunity, there's a very good chance you can become rich, you can become successful. For example, what will you tell to me? You will tell, all of a sudden, rich guy, great mindset. You'll start making fun, right? So your friend never expects you to change in one day, or they can't digest the change in one day. That's why they comment you. So take things in positive way. I took it in positive way. I built a team of almost 15 to 20 to 25 people without any challenges, without any hurdles, because I went with the best friends, right? But after 20 25 people, after 20 25 people, I thought that this is more than enough. I'll just take rest and this 25 people will carry. Biggest first blunder in my life. Everybody thinks that Kushal sir, maybe me, everybody, we people worked very well. We were very smart enough. We didn't do any mistakes in life. That's why we are successful. Sorry, wrong. We did blunders in life. I did one of the biggest blunders. I'll tell you all the blunders today. Because success, in every successful stories, there are some very, very wrong, big mistakes we do. We have to tell that because you should not do the mistakes. So this attitude, what I got after building 2025 team was a foolish attitude that they are going to take care. I'm going to take rest. I took rest for 3 months. I took rest for 3 months. And guys, in this 3 months, I didn't get 3 sales also. And I had a bonus bumper offer. You know what was that bumper offer? Out of the 2025 active people, 0 people were responding. 0 people were responding because I was sleeping. I was not ready to do anything. And there was nobody to motivate them or give training, give teaching, nothing. So I lost my team, my first stage. I earned 12,000 in the first month. Yes, right. Next 3 months, I earned 0 rupees. Where I realized when you have 10, 12,000 in your pocket, you'll not realize, guys. When all the money gets over, na, your tummy is hungry. It wants to eat the chicken biryani again. And you don't have money. What will you do? You will realize the mistakes. I realized my mistakes. I spoke to all the 25 people. Maybe 1 or 2 people listened to me. Maybe 1 or 2 people listened to me. What was the first mistake, guys? I started becoming lazy with small success. This happens with everybody. 2 3,000 rupees check, 5,000 rupees check, 1,000 rupees check. You people will be like, I did very big. Let me sleep. Wrong. My first mistake. I started rebuilding my team. I understood my mistake. I started rebuilding my team. This time I was double serious, double sincere, and I thought, see, I'll not work for a small thing like 3,000 or 4,000. I have done. I'll start taking some achievements. I'll go for shop. I will take my watch. I'll take my shirt, trouser I want. And guys, I'll tell another important point here. Write your dreams for yourself. In my dream list, there was Puma also. Hello T-shirt which cost 300 rupees. And guys, I didn't have the in my pocket. We write dreams like posh dreams. Why? To attract people. Why are you writing dreams for somebody? It's your heart, your dreams. Write down your dreams, guys. Don't write for somebody else. Okay. So every time I used to take an achievement, that used to be my success story. If somebody comes, guys, do you think 1500 rupees slipper is a small thing in BTech first year or second year? No, not at all. Don't think it's a small thing. It's a big thing for me at that point of time. A trouser of 2000 rupees branded, it's not a small thing. It's not a small thing. A t-shirt of 400, it's not a small thing. Nothing was small. And I started achieving 2-3 dreams because हम लोग एक चीज तो सीखे हैं. I think basic Hindi everybody understands. Yeah. हम लोग एक चीज सीखे हैं कि जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. What is seen, that is only to be sold. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. So I started showing my watch. I started showing my clothes. I started showing my footwear. I started showing my whatever small things. I bought a 7,000-8,000 rupees phone. From here I started getting sales. And guys, I again came into some momentum. The most important thing in network marketing is flow, momentum, which we people keep losing every time. Guys, network marketing is not like Noni supplement. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday you have to take a break. No, sorry, this is not Noni. This is network marketing. Saturday, Sunday you have to double. Saturday and Sunday you have to double. You should not take a break. Generally, what happens? People go at. I'll relate with an example. People keep driving a bike. They reach a speed of 60 or 70. They park the bike aside. Do you think the bike will start at 71? Do you think the bike is going to start at 71? No, the bike is going to start at 0. Yeah, the bike is going to start at 0. The bike is going to start at 0 again. So in network marketing, it's the same. You are working for 5 days, taking a 4-day break, again from 0. Again, you have to motivate people. Again, you have to call people. Are you ready? Let's do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Or motivating. Saturday, Sunday break, again from Monday motivation. Many people do this. The flow. And biggest problem with people at this age is laziness. And guys, I had all the great qualities in me. I used to sleep for 18 hours a day in my BTech first year. My college was only for 4 hours. So 8 to 12 was my college. I used to go at 8:30. I was very practical. My maths was very good because I had 5 classes. If you attend 4 classes for the whole semester, you'll get 80% attendance. Do you know that? 4 by 5 is how much? 80%, right? Calculate, guys. It is 80%. So 75% plus no detention. Right? Every day I used to miss my first class. 2, 3, 4, 5 classes I used to attend. By 12 o'clock I used to complete. I used to come and sleep. I used to sleep so much. I was one of the laziest guy. And people say my weakness is laziness. I am actually feeling lazy and all. Sorry guys, it's not about laziness. You didn't find your passion. You didn't find your actual why. You didn't find your actual dreams. It's all about your passion. The day I found my passion, from that day till today, I never ever told any excuse. It might be anything. I never ever told any excuse. Night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, morning 5 o'clock, anything. I was ready all the time. Continuously, maybe 3-4 days without sleep, I was always ready because it's my passion. Passion is something which actually takes you forward. Right. So coming back, you don't lose your momentum, guys. So coming back, I started working very well. No breaks, no Sunday breaks, no movie breaks, nothing. Right. And I took a target of my bike. And within 6 months of my first network marketing, my first company, within 6 months, I purchased my own R15. It was almost 1,35,000 at that time. And there are many friends who were negative. Many people who were actually not ready to listen to me. They didn't understand after taking a watch. They didn't understand after small achievements. Guys, I showed them my bike. I showed them my bike. Right. I think Muniji, you people might have heard Solomonji and Atulji previously.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, they are from my team only. So, chalo, I'll tell you why I asked them. Why I asked Atulji and Solomonji. A very simple reason. I speak in a different way. Atulji speaks in a different way. Solomonji speaks in a different way. Guys, nobody is same. Nobody is same. Right? Everybody is different. Everybody's journey is different. I bought my bike in 6 months. Solomonji's team says was 0 in 6 months. Maybe 2 or 3, I think so. It was nothing in 6 months. Atulji and Solomonji bought bike after 1.5 years, after 2 years. So why am I telling this also today? Now you will tell, sir, you bought bike in 6 months, so you were motivated. No, guys, there were hard times also, right? So after getting my bike, I had that self-confidence to the next level, to the very next level. So everything was going good. I did a mistake here. I'll tell you the mistake what I did here is I was good at invitation. I was good at presentation. I was good at follow up. I was good at board meeting. I was good at training meeting. I was good at testimonials. I was good at everything. The problem was that only. Only I was good at everything. Nobody in my team was good at anything. And I never bothered. It was like a one-man army. I was working. And again, what will happen? In network marketing, people don't stay for the money they earn. People stay for the skill they earn. I'm 100% sure 90% of 95% of the people in Vestige in the first 2-3 months, they don't earn more than 500 or 1000. Maybe first 6 months also in sometimes. So guys, people are not going to stay with you for money they earn. People are going to they are going to come for money. They are going to come for money. After coming for money, the relationships, how you maintain with them, the bond, the knowledge they get, the upline feeling, everything, these things are going to make them stay in the business. The way you treat them, it's very important. It's very important because every downline needs a best friend and a mentor. I keep telling you this everywhere. It's not only about mentor, it's not only about upline. Every downline needs a best friend also. Okay, my direct downlines, all my direct downlines are just my best friends today. I don't keep calling them and tell them like, what's your plan? What are you doing? How many PPTs today? I never asked them. I never asked Atulji, what are you doing since many days? I'll tell them, chalo Atulji, you have to do this, all the best. Jo karna hai karo. And he will do it. There will be a time. You need to have a best friend also because to share everything. Okay. So guys, I did a second mistake that I didn't teach my team. I didn't teach my team. Right. So again I started losing some people. People were like, Shrikar is earning, Shrikar got a bike, sir got a bike, but what did I get? I didn't get anything. They had these things in their mind. So I again had a phase where I was actually I actually thought it's my mistake. I have to teach my team. So these were two times when I lost my team. And as a human being, we keep doing mistakes. And in the second time when I was rebuilding, nothing was working out actually. Sometimes there will be a phase in your life. You try to give PPTs, you try to give follow up, you try to do something, it doesn't work out. It's like nothing is happening. You give your 200%, nothing is happening. Sometimes there will be some 2-3 months like this. So there was some few months like that also in my life. Why am I telling you all these things? Because in every success story, in every good journey, there will be hurdles. There will be the demotivating stages. There will be the days when you are not 100% confident. There will be the days where you feel to quit this minute. There will be many moments you feel like it's over. It's not my cup of tea. Let me quit. It's not going to happen. It's not going to work out with me. There were many days like this. But somewhere in my final year, when placements were coming, I understood one thing, that this 20,000 rupees package is not going to work out. This 20,000 rupees package, get up at 6 o'clock, get ready by 7 o'clock, go to the office by 9 o'clock, work till 7 o'clock. It was very tough to maintain 75% attendance in the college, and 100% attend in the office is not going to work out for me. And 4 years, कुछ भी करके हम कर दिए, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन 40 years, this life is not going to happen with me. I want freedom of time and money, and that is only going to be possible with network marketing. And guys, it was in my final year where I realized many things. Many things happened. Like there was a series of accidents happened in my friends. We lost my friends. I met with an accident. So many realizations at that point of time. I understood only one thing in my final year, that Shrikar, it's time to be more serious. You have to be more serious, because you don't know how many days you're going to live. It might be about anybody, because tomorrow is unpredictable. So the only concept I follow today also, the only concept I follow is give your 100% every day. Give your 100% every day, because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow morning. I'm thinking positive, but I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow morning. So I started giving 100% every day. I'm talking about 2016, maybe January. And in 2016 January, nobody knows me. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana also, nobody knows me. There are many big people in network marketing. And in 2016 January, I decided, and it was 2017 August. Almost after 18 months, almost after 18 months of effort, there was a day I earned 25,000 rupees a week. From 0 rupees a month, from 0 rupees a whole year. I don't think so I earned anything in 1 year. And in my final year, that too. In my final year of college. But my gut feeling told you have to continue NM, network marketing, and no other option. And I didn't put any other option, no bloody excuse. I'll give my 200% every day. I used to travel for 200, 300 kilometers a day on my bike, in rain, in hot sun, and whatever. I took everything, because I understood one thing, guys, success is not a cup of cake to eat like this and everything. I'll tell you truth. He told me to tell all the truth. I'll tell the truth. There were days I was in rain driving for 100 kilometers. There were days I was not able to take the heat of the sun in the summer continuously, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. It was not happening. There were many times, but I thought only one thing, that ultimately I'm going to enjoy. Ultimately, I'm going to enjoy. Right. So it was in 2017 August in Shilpakala Vedika. I hosted the convention. I spoke. I gave my best testimonial. My mother and father came. They were very, very, very negative. Since the day I started in network marketing, my parents were not at all positive. There were days I used to come home at 1 o'clock, working hard. My mother used to make me sit till 6 o'clock in the morning, till my college bus used to come in my third year. I was a day scholar in my third year, fourth year. So my mother used to make me sit from night 1 o'clock to 4, 5 o'clock. I think you might have this kind of moms and dads, they won't let you sleep. Right. I had my mom. I hope she'll not listen. I'm in the hall only. I hope she'll not listen. But guys, she used to start at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the night. She used to wake up from her sleep, and she used to make me sit till 6 o'clock, asking, "Where did you go? Why did you go? What are you doing? Go for IAS, go for IPS, go for GRE, go for MBA." And today, the happiest person on this planet Earth is my mother. Guys, it's not about network marketing. It's about, are you earning or not? It's about, are you earning or not? Are you giving to your parents or not? Never in your life your mother and father are going back your money. But it is your responsibility to take care of them financially, emotionally. And what are you working for? I don't know why Corona came in between, but and this year was to send my mother and father for Sri Lanka. Maybe if I had budget, I thought I and my sister will also go. Right. So no regret, guys. I used to feel bad when they used to scold. I used to feel bad when there were days. I'll tell an incident in my final year. When you ask me, sir, how serious were you about life? How serious were you about your dreams? How serious were you about your future? How much confidence did you have on network marketing? Guys, there was a day when they told me to get out of the home. You're not doing anything. There is no use of you. After my final year, I rejected my jobs, everything, placements and all. So I got ready. Okay, I packed my bag. I put a formal shirt. I put a formal pant. I put a tie. I put a diary. I put a pen and I went off the home. Are you understanding? I don't know where I'm going, but I was so confident on myself. I was so confident on the platform and the industry that I packed all these things along with my dresses and I left. So I had this kind of days which many people don't know. I never shared. So after that, if you ask me, uh, in 2018 Jan 1st, I gifted a Skoda Rapid to my parents, and still it is written that gift for mom and dad. It's not mom's gift or dad's gift. It's like instigator Srikar Teja and gift for mom and dad. So guys, if people are thinking about comments, अगर आप लोग कमेंट्स के बारे में सोच रहे, जिस दिन मैं कार लिया था मेरे को मेरा दोस्त का कॉल आया 2-3 घंटे के बाद. आफ्टर 2-3 hours I got my friend's call saying, తెలుగు మీకు రాదు కదా, but I'll try to tell. మునిజి మీకు కన్నడ వస్తుంది కదా?
కొద్దిగా వస్తుంది సార్. You can tell in Telugu sir, they can understand some words.
Yeah, I'll tell you one line because that impact is there in Telugu only. Who knows Telugu? Can you send me a thumbs up?
There was a girl sir, she can translate from Telugu to Kannada. Bhumika ji.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So ma'am, it's your duty to translate exactly. So when I took my car, my best friend called me and he told, కార్ కొన్నావా అని అడిగిండు నన్ను. అవును కొన్నాను అన్నా. నా బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ వాడు. నేను అంత సీరియస్ తీసుకోలే కానీ ఈ కాల్డ్ మీ టోల్డ్ కార్ కొన్నావారా అంటే కొన్నాను అంటే ఏం పీకనికి కొన్నావు అన్నాడు. అంటే మా లాంగ్వేజ్ అట్లనే ఉంటది కదా, ఏం పీకనికి కొన్నావు అంటే అదేంద్రా భయ్ అంటే నడపనికి వచ్చా అంటే నడపనికి రాదు అంటే మరి ఏం పీకనికి కొన్నావు అన్నాడు. సో నేను ఒక సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాం. ఐ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్, ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్. నేను వానికి ఒక సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా, ఓకే మామ నాకు నడపనికి రాదు ఫైన్, బట్ నీకు నడపనికి వచ్చుగా నువ్వేం పీకినావు అని అడిగినా. So I had this attitude, I had this aggression always with me. He felt very bad. So I think you can translate.
Yes sir, I'll make it.
I think ma'am can if she can translate.
Yes sir, 1 minute sir, I'll unmute her. Hello Bhumika ji, I'm unmuting you. It's not getting unmuted. Sir, can you repeat it again in Telugu only?
You can translate.
Yes, she can.
You can translate, Munij. If you can translate, I'll repeat it again. I think she understood. Ma'am, did you understand? You didn't hear. Guys, I'll tell you in English itself. What happened? My friend called me up and he told, "Why did you take your car?" It will not have that impact in English, but why did you take the car? You don't know how to drive. I told him, you know to drive, then why didn't you take the car? Right? So the impact is different. I hope if anybody knows, they will translate after the meeting. So it was a crazy incident. It was one of the craziest incident in my life. So guys, there were days I traveled for 4-5 hours in the sun, maybe in the rain, but today I have my car. Even today I went out. I wanted to put the status, but I had a meeting previously. Now I'm having this meeting. I could not even post my status. So guys, there were tough times. There were hard times. I did many mistakes. I didn't read books initially. I didn't have a mentor initially. I didn't follow I didn't follow system initially. Right? So guys, many people have a wrong perception of attitude also. Attitude is not whatever you want to do. Attitude is not however you want to speak. Right? That is wrong. That is not attitude. Attitude is having self-confidence that you can achieve anything. This is attitude. If somebody is speaking less about you, somebody is telling you can't do this, telling them confidently that I am going to do, no matter whatever might happen, I am going to do it. I am going to prove you that you are wrong, I am right. This is attitude. Not hurting somebody is not attitude. Many people have this wrong perception. So that's why I want to tell you this thing. So, and after that, nothing, guys. I don't want to tell any sad stories more, but from October, I started Vestige, and the first month was good. I worked very hard. There were many comments before October. We were silent for 6-7 months. Who people who know my previous organization and all. So I was silent for 6-7 months. Nothing really worked out, and there were many comments on my team. Many people who tried to take away my team from me. I lost many of my groups, and I was left with maybe 50 to 100 people. I had a 600 plus people volume in my previous company when we went to a convention, and when we came back and I started in October, I had a very small volume, and many people took away my teams and all. Many people started speaking about me, complaining about me to uplines, this, that, whatever. I was silent, but guys, when I took a decision, I was 200% confident of Vestige, and I seriously decided that I have to prove people. The reason many people didn't join Vestige, didn't come to Vestige, shall I tell you? One of the biggest people, they told Vestige is like an ocean. It is very difficult to create identity. So they told Vestige is like an ocean, it's very difficult to create identity. I told them only one thing. See, for example, there is a boat or there is a ship. What is the duty of the ship? Not to stay in the shore, right? It has to go into the ocean. That is the duty of a ship. And I don't want to take my ship and go for a ride in the lake, right? Or in a small river. I want to go into the ocean. I want to go into the ocean. I don't want to play small in my life anymore. It's over now, right? If you're thinking that Vestige is an ocean, let me work hard and create identity in the ocean itself. Why to create identity in small things? Because that is not permanent. That's temporary identity, right? So many people had that fear, but I never had that fear. The day I came, I was very confident. I was working very hard, because it's not about the 500 people who didn't come with me. It's not about the 200-300 people who believed in somebody else. It was just about the 100 people who believed in me. I don't care what happened with the other 500 people, because they didn't believe in me in tough times. I want true people. When will you find true people? True people are those when you find in your tough times. And I found my true people in my tough times. When there is 100 rupees in your, when you have 10,000 in your pocket, everybody speaks positive about you. When you have 0 rupees in your account, who is speaking positive about you? That is more important. So I found my right people, my closest confident people who are not going to leave me when I'm hero. Everybody was with me. When I'm zero, who is there with me are real people. They're working hard for my team, who trusted me when I was nothing, when I was completely zero. And I had to prove everyone. I started on a very aggressive note. October, it was 86,000 plus my check. 86,830 was my first check in Vestige, and in November, I think so, it was 90,118. Some mistakes in number might be there, and I think it was December 1,14,640. The check is going to display in the next month, Jan 10 check. Then I think it was 84,000, 74,000. Then again, I think 93,000, almost 6.5 lakhs in last 6 months, 6-7 months. So it's not about me. I did this to show people that team requires a leader. Leader doesn't require a team. I'm again telling you, I just did this to show people that team requires a leader. Leader doesn't require a team. Leader is going to build a team. I know how to build a team. Right? I did this for that reason. And today I'll be announcing some crazy names in my team. Whoever I've earned well. There is Atulji who's earned more than 2 lakhs in last 6 months. There is Solomonji who has earned more than 2 lakhs in last 6 months. There is Pradeep ji in my team who has earned more than 2 lakhs. I think Prashant Badawaji close to 2 lakhs. Imroz ji 1.5 lakh. Hanish ji 1.5 lakh. Omkar ji 1.5 lakh close to. Prithvi ji 1.5 lakh. Prithvi ji was just a normal associate in my previous company who just believed in us. He came here with 0 people, no experience. He didn't do anything big. But he believed in us. Belief in us made us work so aggressively with people. Priyanshu ji, another guy who earned more than 1 lakh. Shrikant ji, a guy who's doing good. We just started in Housewife last month, and there's a ma'am who became a director in 2 months. and we didn't announce another ma'am. She became director in 3 months. 3 days. There's a ma'am called Manga ma'am. She's like 35, 40. She's having 2 kids, and she became a director in 3 days. She's like, I have many contacts. All the housewives are my friends. Everybody wants products, and these products are very good. Over 3 days. So, guys, I am just trying to tell you that I I don't know what people who have commented what they are doing. I don't know about the negative people. I don't know about anything. I always keep positive. I always keep smiling. I always work aggressively. I fix up my schedule every day, and today I'm very happy, but I'm not at all satisfied. I'll never ever be satisfied. I have my what next. I have my next dreams to be done, and there are many more people whom I have to uplift, who are waiting for my time. And I have I have a list of people who have to buy cars. I have a list of people who have to buy houses. I have a list of people who have to buy their bikes. I'm not going to stop now, and it's a wonderful journey, guys. It was a wonderful journey. Trust me, guys. Kushal sir is such a wonderful person who works very hard, and I think he's the only guy. He and Jatanji, these two people are the people who always inspire me in terms of hard work. Because I am a guy like I work 18, 19, 20 hours a day, and sometimes Kushalji also works like that. Sometimes Jatanji also works like that. It feels like good. I have some 2, 3 people who are like the same. Everybody is not same, but I have at least 2 people with me who work like me. My style, very aggressive, whole day meetings. Anytime it might be a small node, 1 associate, 2 associate, they are ready to give time. I love these qualities of Kushal sir. So that's it from my side. And I think in my story only I gave you many suggestions, right? But I think for all the ground level people, I'll give you one suggestion. uh, First year in Vestige is for learning. Second year in Vestige is for teaching, and third year in Vestige is for earning. This is one formula, more than enough, nothing else. This is truth. First year in Vestige is for learning. For a beginner directly into network marketing, first year in Vestige is for learning. Second year in Vestige is for teaching your team, training your team, and third year in Vestige is for earning. Okay, people are very happy when they get a 1,000 rupees check. People are not at all happy when they get a 100 rupees check. My simple question: did you come here to earn 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees? If you seriously came here to earn 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees, just give a call to Muniji. He's going to transfer you the remaining 400. I don't think so. You came here to earn 400 or 500. You came here to build your business. You came here to buy your car, buy your house, buy your financial security, right? Build a network of people all over the world. So, guys, don't think small. Okay, don't play small, don't think small, and no quarantine excuses, guys. This is the one more thing I wanted to tell. Quarantine excuses are there. I'm playing PUBG, sir. I'm watching Netflix series, and people are playing Ludo King also. Such a boring game. I'm not an anti fan. I played 1-2 times with Atulji, with Arbaz sir and all, but still, see, I don't have so much of interest of playing 4-5 hours of Ludo. Maybe PUBG might be interesting. That's why I never downloaded PUBG. Okay, and then I watched zero movies, guys. I watched zero movies in last 60 days. I was completely focused into work. I have to make my team habituate about quarantine, right? And guys, I know quarantine is making us lazy. So make sure you have a schedule and you people do some fitness in the morning, because we are in health and wellness industry. I think everyone should look smart like Muniji. So that's why. And I know that today is his birthday. So happy birthday, Muniji. May
Yes, sir.
God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
you with
Thank you so
wonderful
much, sir.
future, and
Yes, sir.
maybe all your future endeavors are going to get done. And I can't tell everybody to clap, but I can give you a virtual claps or virtual high five here. Happy birthday. So everybody can also give you. It's a special birthday.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Really, it was blessed, sir, because today it was your session.
Actually, guys, I didn't prepare because I was outside completely. I didn't prepare. I had a session in the morning which was postponed to evening. It was my upline session, so I could not tell. Sir has postponed to evening. So, hello guys. This is my story, my journey. So that's it from my side, my part. and he told there's a question and answer session in the end. So I don't know what questions you people are going to ask. I hope no rapid fire questions.
Yes, sir. So let's go for that, sir. Like guys, like you can give in a chat box, or else you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you. You can ask the sir directly questions. Whatever you want to ask, either in terms of business or whatever you want to ask. Yes, there was a person. Yeah, hello. Yeah, guys, whoever wants to ask sir questions, you can ask through chat box, or else. Yeah, Vasanti.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Yeah, sir. Myself, Vasan, sir. I'm from Tirupati. So,
Yeah.
నాకైతే డౌట్స్ ఏం లేదు సార్, బట్ నేను మీతో మాట్లాడాలనే నేను హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేశాను సార్. సో దట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్ ఫస్ట్ రీజన్. సో మీ జర్నీ నాకు చాలా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ గా ఉంది సార్. నేను 2017 నుంచి మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతున్నా. సో మీ టెస్ట్ మోనీ నేను JNS లో విన్నాను సార్. సో అప్పటి నుంచి మీ టెస్ట్ మోనీ నన్ను చాలా ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసింది. సో మీ టెస్ట్ మోనీ ఇంకా చాలా మంది టెస్ట్ మోనీ చాలా చాలా ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసింది. సో నాకు మీ సైడ్ నుంచి ఒక డైలాగ్ కావాలి సార్.
ఏం డైలాగ్
సార్? అప్పుడు మీరు JNS లో చెప్పారు కదా సార్, ఆడి కార్ అడ్వైస్, ఆడి కార్ కొనాలంటే BMW అడ్వైస్ తీసుకో, ఆటో వారి దగ్గర అడ్వైస్ తీసుకోదని.
Actually, entire team was like became fan for that dialogue, sir.
యా సార్. సో ఐ నీడ్ దట్ డైలాగ్ సార్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సైడ్.
నాకు కూడా అంత ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గుర్తులేదు, బట్ నాకు గుర్తున్నంత వరకు మేబీ ఐ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్, బట్ ఆటో అండ్ ఆడి గురించి ఏమో ఉండే.
యా సార్.
నాకు గుర్తులేదు. నా టెస్ట్ మోనీస్ నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడను, బికాస్ నాకు మంచిగా అనిపించదు, నాకు ఎప్పుడు మంచిగా అనిపించదు. బట్ మేబీ ఐ టోల్డ్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ అడ్వైస్, మీకు ఎవరి దగ్గర అడ్వైస్ తీసుకోవాలని ఉంటే మీరు ఆటో కొనేవాడి దగ్గర అడ్వైస్ తీసుకోకండి, ఆడి కొనేవాడి దగ్గర అడ్వైస్ తీసుకోండి. అండ్ ఆటో కొనేవాడు తీసుకున్న అడ్వైస్ తోని యువర్ లైఫ్ ఇస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు గో ఫార్వర్డ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ రియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్. యాక్చువల్లీ పీపుల్ యాక్చువల్లీ టేక్ అడ్వైజెస్ ఫ్రమ్, అంటే నా సింపుల్ లాజిక్ ఏంటంటే, రోడ్ పైన పంచర్ షాప్ లో పంచర్ వేసేటోడు కూడా రేపు పొద్దున మీకు అడ్వైజ్ ఇస్తాడు. ఓకేనా? అండ్ పంచర్ షాప్ వాడు చెప్పింది అంటే నేను పంచర్లు వేసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది రేపు పొద్దున. నేను సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అయితే
నాకు ఆ డైలాగ్ చాలా బాగా గుర్తుంది సార్. నేను చెప్పనా సార్?
యా చెప్పండి.
సో మీ దగ్గర BMW ఉండి ఆడి బాలంటే నేను ఒప్పుకుంటాను సార్, కానీ నువ్వు ఆటో నడుపుకుంటా ఆడి బాలంటే నేను ఎలా ఒప్పుకుంటాను సార్?
Okay. So thank you very much for remembering the dialogue. Actually, many people told me that they loved the testimony. Personally, నాకు చాలా మంది, అంటే every meeting లో people keep telling, but I'll be frank, I never watched it. నేను ఒక్కసారి కూడా చూడలేదు, బట్ మేబీ కొన్ని డేస్ తర్వాత నేను ధైర్యం చేస్తా చూడడానికి.
ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్ మా కోసం.
ఒక్కసారి మీరు డైలాగ్ రిపీట్ చేయండి. యా.
మీ దగ్గర BMW ఉండి ఆడి బాలంటే నేను ఒప్పుకుంటాను సార్, కానీ నువ్వు ఆటో నడుపుకుంటా ఆడి బాలంటే నేను ఎలా ఒప్పుకుంటాను సార్? నాకు ఆ ఎనర్జీ కావాలి సార్ మీ సార్.
మీ దగ్గర BMW ఉండి ఆడి బాలే అంటే నేను ఒప్పుకుంటా, గానీ నువ్వు ఆటో నడుపుకుంటూ నువ్వు ఆడి బాలే అంటే నేను ఎలా ఒప్పుకుంటాను?
యా సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ శ్రీకర్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Yes, sir. People likes to see your energy, sir. Guys, if you want to see sir energy, you have to see the convention.
Yeah.
You'll become a big fan for him. Like, sir, like actually you are looking like seeing in the convention and seeing here, like I was seeing the two types of Xerox copy of Striker, sir. Right? So it was totally different, sir. Here I have seen that like you are like so inspiring. The story which was hidden, we don't know. Like it makes us to inspire a lot, and it makes you emotionally connected with you. So it was really amazing, sir.
అర్జున్ రెడ్డి సార్ JNS లో మీరు బాగా చెప్పినారు సార్. అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అని ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. మ్యూట్ అయింది సార్ మీ వాయిస్.
సారీ నాకు గుర్తులేదు వసంజీ. అర్జున్ రెడ్డి డైలాగ్ కూడా ఏం చెప్పాను అప్పుడు నేను?
సార్ నాకైతే చాలా బాగా గుర్తుంది.
యూ క్యాన్ టెల్ వసంజీ, మీరు చెప్పొచ్చు. దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లిసన్.
యా సార్. సో ఆ రోజు చెప్పారనమాట. సో ఏంటంటే అర్జున్ రెడ్డి లవర్లతో తిరుగుతా అంటారు కదా. సో వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే పార్కింగ్ చేస్తే కార్ పార్కింగ్ కి ఏరియా ఉంది సార్. నాకు కార్ పార్కింగ్ ఏరియా
వాలే పార్కింగ్.
యా యా సార్. సో అర్జున్ రెడ్డి ఏం 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 చేసినా నడుస్తుంది సార్. అతనికి ఏంటంటే కార్ పార్కింగ్ అన్ని ఉంది. సో నాకు లేదు సార్ అని. అది మీరు చెప్తే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది సార్.
నాకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గుర్తులేదు, బట్ నేను నా డైలాగ్ ఏముండే అంటే, అర్జున్ రెడ్డి మూవీ చూసి చాలా మంది ఇన్స్పైర్ అవుతున్నారు, బట్ మీరు ఒక థింగ్ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి ఏంటంటే, ఆ మూవీలో అర్జున్ రెడ్డికి వ్యాలెట్ పార్కింగ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, మా ఇంటికి పార్కింగే లేదు. సో దానిలో చాలా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటది కదా స్టోరీ. వాడు కొట్టినా అన్న వాళ్ళ డాడీ ఏమన్నాడు, వాడు ఏం చేయకుండా ఇంట్లో కూర్చున్నా నడిచిపోతుంది. అందరి ఇంట్లో స్టోరీ సేమ్ కాదు. సో మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేనైతే జేఎన్ఎస్ టెస్టిమోనీ విని ఏదైనా గ్రూప్ ట్రైనింగ్ మీటింగ్ ఆడితే కూర్చుంటా. నా డైలాగ్ నాకే గుర్తుంటలేవు.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sweetas.
Yes, sir. Sir, there was a question from one of the girl, Bhumika ji.
Yeah.
So people easily get distracted to other words. They are shy to tell about their business which they are doing with their college friends since they tease them. So what is your suggestion?
Okay, people feel okay. First thing is people get shy. That is, people will be shy. Okay, fine. Okay, good. See, first most important thing, if people are feeling shy to start something, that means they are not 100% your associate. Yes or no? For example, you are using some product and you are feeling shy to share with somebody. That means you are not confident on the product. If you are confident on the product, why will you not share? Why will you feel shy? For example, my favorite hero is Mahesh Babu. Why will I feel shy to share? I should have shut my mouth now. I should have been silent like my favorite hero. No, I'll not tell. If I have no confidence on my hero, I will tell that my favorite hero is Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, some other Khan. Right? Today there are so many big heroes in Tollywood, but still I'm telling my favorite hero very openly. Right? If you are having confidence on your favorite hero, if you're having the same confidence on your product, on your company, this is not shy feeling. This is actually problem of self-confidence. They are not actually confident on the product they use, the system they are in. That is why they feel shy to give invitation. That is why they feel shy to go with the presentation. Yeah, there are genuine cases of feeling shy. Genuine cases of feeling shy who are not extrovert. Then meeku ichina idea ade, the same thing I told you. There is nothing called extrovert, introvert. There are only one kind of people. I am an extrovert with my people. I am an introvert with the people whom I don't know. Initially, this will be there with your best friends. Can you show me one person? Maybe I never saw a person in my entire life who doesn't make noise, who doesn't scream, who doesn't do anything in front of his bunch of 5 people. Every girl also, she might be quiet in front of us, but when she's with her 4 best friends in a room in her house, I think she'll be a rowdy. Right? So this is what I want to tell you people. If she's feeling shy or he is feeling shy, that means he is trying to give presentation to unknown person, just friend, not best friend. So to make them get confidence, make sure you give presentations to best friends and make sure you get the results from best friends. Because if you're not going to get results, they're not going to go for the other people only. That is also very important. Any associates initial 15-20 presentations are going to be very important, very key role. Okay, so I think I answered the feeling called shy. And talking about comments, I'll be very frank, convincing people is not just with your knowledge or just with your self-confidence. You need to show your self-confidence. The other person has to experience your self-confidence. For example, it might be your voice, it might be your body language, it might be your knowledge. I gave presentation to my college topper, my classmate. So when I called him, he told, I don't do ante telugu ostadu ga ma'am ki nenu itlanti chillar pannu anni cheyanu annadu. ఇట్లాంటి చిన్న పనులు చేయను, ఇట్లా చిల్లర పనులు చేయను. మేబీ ఇట్లా మీకు కూడా అంటుంటారు, ఇట్లాంటి ఒక్క లైన్ మిమ్మల్ని చాలా డిమోటివేట్ చేసేస్తుంటది, చాలా బాధ పెడుతుంటది. రైట్. నేను ఒకటే అడిగిన, ఇక్కడ రారా బై ఒకసారి అన్న, హాస్టల్ ఉండి ఇక్కడ రారా అన్న. వచ్చిండు. దీన్ని బిజినెస్ స్కూల్ బుక్ అంటారు. రాబర్ట్ కియోసాకి రాసిండు. రాబర్ట్ కియోసాకి have written this book called Business School. You can just see. It's one of the highest sold book in the world. And Robert T. Kiyosaki is among the top 50 richest person in the world. So I'll show you a chapter. Just sit down. I told who invented bulb. I asked him who invented bulb. There is a story in that, you can go, ma'am. First story. So he told Thomas Alva Edison. I told no, Tesla invented bulb. You search in Google, they'll tell Nikola Tesla invented bulb. Yeah, but Thomas Alva Edison, it is written in the book. Okay, fine. Thomas Alva Edison is one of the first multimillionaires in the world. The reason is not inventing bulb. The reason is he marketed the bulb. He did business with the bulb. He did business with the bulb. So I asked him one thing. Do you want to become Nikola Tesla or you want to become Thomas Alva Edison? He was silent. I told, with your knowledge, you become Nikola Tesla. With my brain, I'll become Thomas Alva Edison. And I'll hire you for your invention only. And I'll pay you for your invention only. And I'll become rich with your invention only. And the next day, he started working with me. The next day, he started working with me. So guys, it's all about your attitude. It's all about the way you speak. It's all about the way you tell things. 200%. 200% is the same thing actually. The same energy actually. Right. He was my topper. I never felt, I never had that fear. So what? Today, he's working for 22K in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. I earn that weekly. Right. He lost his job. He went for MBA. I don't care. He once met me in LB Nagar. Stay humble, guys. Stay cool. After you become successful, the most important nature. I met him once in a bakery here, KS Bakers in LB Nagar. Maybe if people who have come to Hyderabad, you know the place. So I sat there. My car was parked outside, and he asked me, "Did you come on bike?" I told, yes. I told him yes. Nothing. So he told, that's it. Nothing you did in life. Earning 10,000, 15,000. That too by giving presentations, requesting peopleని బతిమలాడుకొని, బుజ్జగించుకొని, రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసుకొని. So you are earning just this much of money. You know me, I am working in TCS, 22, 23K. You don't know my life, this, that. Okay, I didn't tell anything, guys. I didn't tell anything. So after 2-3 days, he met one of my friend, and he asked, "How is your?" After 2-3 days, after 1 week, he told, "How is your friend doing?" My friend gave him a left and right answer. My downline actually, he gave him a left and right answer. He told that he took a car. Do you know which car? He showed my car. He told, "This is 14,30,000 it took. Do you know?" Then he opened his phone very angrily and he showed his what you call his friends. One of his friend who is 2-3 years senior to us is bank manager. He's a bank manager. Even he has a car. And my friend asked the simple question. I showed Srikar's car. Where is your car? Why are you showing your friend's car? Right? He didn't have a reply. He didn't have a reply. So guys, there will be time. Your time will come. अपना time आएगा. लेकिन वो उसको लेके आना पड़ेगा. Okay, your time will come, but you have to bring the time. It's not going to come so easily. Okay, people are commenting. You need to know how to answer. People are telling something. You need to know how to handle. Okay, without you knowing properly, you can't teach your team. Network marketing is like a bucket. It will have a hole on the top also, in the bottom also. Okay, your efforts are going to actually make the hole small. The hole is going to be there. It might be big, it might be small. The water is going to come, the water is going to go out. You have to fight hard. You have to put your effort. You have to take proper training. You have to do everything in order to make the hole small. That is the biggest thing you have to do. So guys, read books. There are many stories in many books. One story, my topper sale. That one story actually brought me more than 100 sales. That one story of business school. Business school is my favorite book because of business school, I bought my bike. So one book is enough. One story is enough.
యా సార్, అండ్ నాకు క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది సార్.
Yeah.
అడగా తెలియదు. సో చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏంటంటే ప్రీవియస్ కంపెనీ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు సార్. సో అందరూ ఈ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళే. సో ఈవీ నుంచి మిడిల్ లో గ్యాప్ ఉంది కదా సార్, వెస్టేజ్ రావడానికి చాలా గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది అనమాట. సో ఏంటంటే చాలా పీపుల్స్ ఏంటంటే అడిగుంటారు కదా సార్ మిమ్మల్ని కూడా, సో మీరు ఫేస్
Yeah.
చేస్తుంటారు కదా, ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ మీరు ఎలా ఫేస్ చేసుకుని వెస్టేజ్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు సార్?
I can't tell everything today, but that we are going to bounce back after the issue from March. I had that confidence that we people are going to bounce back maybe in May or April or June. I believed when my appliance told a plan called Eram.
Yeah.
And I was not confident when they told me to take drafts of maybe Mithon got Ayunta. They told us to take drafts of 8,000, 9,000. I told I am not going to tell. There was a difference between one of my upline and me. One of my upline actually went to another company who tried to take us to another company called Rens Global or something, and I didn't go to that company. I didn't believe in the company. He took almost 150 people and he went, and I never stopped anybody. And after that, what you call, I believed in Aram because there was no time for me to think what is right and what is wrong. I was like, if I am going to take a stupid decision today, I'm going to lose the whole people. I can't tell Vestige. If I tell Vestige, somebody else is going to tell something else and it's going to completely split. So I told I'll be with my appliance. But when things were not happening in July, August, September, I understood one thing. I started thinking, I started doing research on my own. I saw almost 100 network marketing company plans. I read all the guidelines. I did all my homework because when I was 17 or 18 years old, I did a blunder. I did my mistake is fine. But when I'm 24 years old, if I do a blunder or if I do a mistake, after 6-7 years, if something is going to happen, I'm going to be married and I'm going to have kids also. I can't come on the road, right? So I was doing my homework. Okay, because this time I have to tell hundreds of people. Already I told them that Aram is the best thing. And that was a wrong word I gave. I just believed in my appliance. Maybe you don't know how much I believed in my appliance, how much trust I had, how much respect I gave to my mentor. I had a long hair. I grew it for 7 months. I love to have long hair. Maybe I will do again in life or not, I don't know. I grew it for 7 months. And I met my upline one day in Hyderabad at night, 3 o'clock. And he just told Shikarji, that's it. He didn't tell anything. Shikarji, next day morning, 7 o'clock, I got my hair cut. I had this much confidence. It was like that too, haircut and a normal haircut. No, 1 or 2 full trimmed haircut. Clean shave, no beard, nothing. So I respected this much. But when they took a decision of Biosash, it was like a fool. I felt, I'll be very frank, I felt it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out. In Hyderabad, there are no stores. Hyderabad, there is no portal. Products can't come here. I have to go to Vijayawada or be there and bring the product. Or I have to go to Kurnool. I am not a shopkeeper. No? I'm not a wholesale retailer. I will retail products, but I'm not a wholesaler and retailer to bring the products and keep giving the products to my team. So all these things happened in that 6-7 months. It was tough to believe in Kushalji because Arbazji and Jatanji didn't go with them. They know Kushalji more than me. But when Arbazji and Kushalji also decided to go, it took me my decision was much easier. I know when I cross-checked, I understood that Vestige is one of the best company. But I didn't take a decision just because I don't know with whom can I work there in a right system. And Dua sir is such a person who is like a legendary person. Whatever they spoke about Dua sir, I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing, that he's such a great guy. He's having a lot of knowledge. Superb guy. Very cool, very chill. Shivam Goswami sir, another crazy person. And today, if I will be very frank, I'm missing a mentor in this business, but I need to find out because I don't have such a good connect with Shivam sir or Dua sir, like Bhupen sir. Bhupen sir was one person who was like, if you used to tell this over, the topic is over, no questions, nothing. So it was like such a great person. Even today, Arbaz, everybody respect Bhupen sir like anything, but I don't think Biosash is the right decision. Vestige is the best, easiest. See the marketing every day. Once the billing cycle starts, you get some 15-20 photos, superbly designed. Vestige, consistency dates. Vestige. Free products, Vestige. Extra free products, Vestige. Missile of Milan scheme, Vestige. Agri product scheme, Vestige. 60 PV consistency, Vestige. TV lucky draw, Vestige. Superb. This kind of a company, there I need to put my brain. There I need to put my brain and tell that something else I need to tell. But guys, sale product is different and package is different, Vasanji. So you need to understand this thing. We are not into package today. We are into product. So I saw which company has the highest number of DLCPs, which company has the best training system, which company is the number one. Because my parents taught me only one thing from when I'm young, when I'm a child: study hard and go to the number one NIT, a number one IIT, so that there if you perform like okay also, you'll be a very good student. You'll get a very good package. I didn't want to go to the last IIT and work very hard and get a good package. If you want to do that, do whatever you want. I'm a kind of person, I want to chill, I want to enjoy. So I'll go to the number one IIT. I might do some mistakes. Something might happen, but still I'll become successful. This guarantee no network marketing company can give you in India today. That only Vestige can give you. This was my clarity in September. I decided to do Vestige. Don't have a second thought, guys. Whoever came from the previous company, don't have a second thought that are you doing right or not. 200% right you're doing. 300% right you're doing. What to do in Vestige, you learn. How to do in Vestige, you learn. Okay. Anything else, Muniji?
That's it, sir. Like total overall, it's everything is clear. Finally, one thing, sir, like especially for girls. So what do you suggest for girls, sir? So there are some girls, they were, I mean, like they want to do big in this business due to some family issues and restrictions, they were not able to do. So what do you suggest them to grow in these things?
Girls have restrictions, Muniji. I understand that thing. I just tell them only one thing, that if you are from Andhra and Telangana, I don't know about Karnataka, how things are going out in Karnataka. I just want to tell one thing that, ma'am, if you people are not going to do good, if you people are not going to perform big, 9 out of 10 girls are going to get married at 21, 22, 23, 24. And I don't think so you want to get married and be dependent on somebody else. And as Vaishali ma'am always tells, girls should not be attention, girls should be equal to 10 sons. You have that potential, you have that capability. Whatever freedom you people are getting, use in a right way. Boys, they use sometimes in a wrong way also. We just get scoldings, nothing more than that. But for girls, if they use freedom in a wrong way, they lose the trust. Parents actually lose the trust. This is a very big thing because of the society. For example, a boy comes at 10 o'clock, nobody is going to tell anything. But if a girl comes at 10 o'clock from work, your auntie is going to ask, where did she go? With whom did she go? Why did she go? How did she go? Did she go on the bike? Did she go in the car? Did she go in the bus? They are more bothered about you than their own daughter. This is the biggest problem. So whatever freedom you people have, used in a right way. And one more important thing is that use Zoom, because if you people can take after 8 o'clock, after 9 o'clock, you people can work on Zoom. A girl speaking to a boy on Zoom, I don't know how parents are going to react, but a girl speaking to a girl on Zoom, 200% nothing is going to happen. Guest parents also happy, your parents also happy, it's over. In the daytime, you go with boys' plans. In the night time, you go with girls' plans. After 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, if they're not allowing for phone, use your books. Read books. Get up early. 6 o'clock in the morning, you're speaking to your uplines, nobody's going to tell anything. Night 12 o'clock, if you're going to speak, then it's a problem. And I'll be very frank, you have less time when compared to us. And this is a positive sign. Sir, why is it a positive sign? Positive pressure. You know what? I'm planning to buy a bike. Kushal sir just bought a dog. Sorry, Kushal sir just bought a dog. Even I'm planning to buy a dog, a big one, heavy one. Actually, it grows very big. Kushal sir asked me, why so big? It's going to become heavy, and you stay in an apartment. I told sir only one thing, sir. It's going to become big in 9 months to 1 year, and at least in 9 months to 1 year, I need to buy a new house for my dog. No other choice. No bloody excuse. I have to buy a big house, or else I'm not go. My lovely dog is not going to stay happy. It can't run. It can't have some space in the house. So Positive pressure. I always love positive pressure, guys. Many people say that if you have pressure, you are not going to build. Sorry to say you, pressure makes you or pressure breaks you. I know that, but I love pressure. I have my car EM, I have this, that, and I keep spending money like anything. I go to coffee days, Starbucks, this, that. Every month I make my account balance zero because I have to earn in the next month. Huh? Right? I always have that positive pressure. So have that positive pressure. Take a deadline of maybe 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. In that 4 years, make sure you put a 1 year barrier, 2 year barrier, 3 year barrier. All the people, I tell you only this thing. 4 years, one big project, yearly small project, months mini project, maybe weekly another mini project. That's it. You might fail, you might become successful, but every week put a plan, every month put a plan. Okay. I keep watching Muniji's status. He puts his cumulative PV of 50,000, 51,000, 52,000, 54,000, 55,000. I think it's your time to touch quickly 50,000. Your time to touch quickly 25,000. Okay. Start taking director bonuses. Become a director. Start taking LOBs. Become a silver director. Start taking car fund. Become a star director, guys. Have this kind of dreams. Quarantine is going to increase. Lockdown is going to increase. Corona is going to stay with us for 1.5 years till the vaccine comes. I started going outside with precaution, with mask. That's it. That is the only thing you can do. And I'm not telling you to go out, but I'm trying to tell you that the situation of lockdown is not going to get over very soon. It's going to extend. If lockdown is not going to extend, I'm 100% sure the vaccine is going to come after 7-8 months only. It's not time. Okay, so use your freedom in a proper way. I'm sure your parents are also going to trust you.
Yes, sir.
And this guy was feeling a bit lonely in the Thailand trip. Next time, make sure you all come to the Thailand trip. Whatever country we are going, make sure you come. Maybe he might have told you, might have not told you. I felt very lonely because only 3 people came from my team. So, but I'm sure you can ask him. It might be the best trip in his life. In his entire life, it will be best trip.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. Even if I spend 1 lakh, if I go alone also, it's not a thing, sir. The Western trip is an awesome. They cannot get in a life. So yes, sir. Like finally, like we want to ask one conclusion question, sir. Like this was the thing. So why? I mean, like why to take consistency?
You are telling about 3,000 rupees.
Yeah, maybe it is a 60 PV and 100 PV. Why to be consistency towards the
I
purchase?
I don't promote 60 PV consistency in my team because it's a temporary consistency. It's not a permanent plan by the company. So I don't want temporary things to come into my team. I
Yes, sir.
don't promote 60 PV more. But still, okay, as you asked, consistency in effort is important. Consistency in output is important. Consistently achieving your dreams is important. Every month, 10th, whatever might be a check. If it is 100 rupees, go and buy a 1 kg chicken and come back home. If it is 300 rupees, order something online. But make sure you buy something because when you are demotivated, you can see that thing, small thing. It might be a keychain, it might be a t-shirt, it might be anything. It makes you confident. This is very important in your life. And talking about consistency, guys, if you want to start a business outside, you need to invest for the advance. You need to invest for, maybe you want to start a restaurant. You have to invest money for the chef, for the raw materials, for the police permission, for the parking slot, and after everything also, you don't know whether you are going to be in profit or loss. Even though you are in profit, even though you are in loss, you have to pay the rent. You have to manage everything, right? So when I understood about network marketing, I understood the first point that there is no idea, no need of our own idea, no need of our own investment, no need of our own infrastructure, no need of our own anything. Just one thing is required, that you have to buy the product, use the product, and share the product. Without buying the product, without using the product, how will you share the product? Right? people keep asking me, sir, I can't do consistency because I have to invest 3,000 rupees. I don't want to invest 3,000 rupees. I told them only one thing. Okay, my way of answering things. If Vestige wants to give you 1 lakh rupees, do you want 1 lakh rupees per month? Yes or no? If yes, you can send me a thumbs up. If Vestige wants to give you 1 lakh rupees a month, do you want 1 lakh rupees or not? Done. Then why are you thinking of 3,000 rupees? You are thinking of giving 3,000 rupees to Vestige and expecting 1 lakh rupees a month. Not fair, guys. Do you think it's fair? आपका सोच किधर है? 3,000. You are thinking of 3,000 rupees. Maybe if you are doing consistency for 3 years, it's going to be 1 lakh 8,000 rupees. That's all. Okay. And all the people who want to become rich, there is only one way of becoming rich for all the middle class people. That one way is business. That one way is business. Investment is like shares and stocks, not going to work out in this stage. Market is completely down. Right. The only way to become rich is business. And guys, to start a business, you need an idea, you need an investment, you need an infrastructure, you need experience, you need permissions, you need legalities. And to start all these things, at least 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1 crore also might happen. If you're having 1 crore, go for that. If you don't have 1 crore, do consistency. As simple as that. Do consistency. Tell your team to do consistency. Okay. You can get into a very good position and start using the products. The simplest formula or a secret of doing consistency: replace every product in your home with Vestige product. That's all. As simple as that. Replace every product in your home with Vestige product. That's it, Muniji. I think
Yes, sir.
this is what I follow actually.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. So you've given us a lot of things which we need to do the mistakes in our life through your story. So that was inspiring, and also your mistakes is going to be steps for us to our success. And also you told that if you are going to be consistent in towards an income or whatever you want, we need to be in consistent investing, and that we are getting products for that mainly. So that was the best part here. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Heartfully from Team Wizards team, we are right thanking you a lot for your valuable time of 1.5 hours for us. So that's what, sir.
Thank you very much, guys, for your warm welcome. The way you have the questions, what people have asked me, the thumbs ups, the messages, whatever I'm getting. Thank you very much. I feel very privileged that you people have invited me, and you reminded me my JNS testimony also. So all the best, guys. Keep rocking. All the best. Just kill the show. That's it. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay, guys. All the best. Then I'm leaving,
Yeah.
Muniji.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. All the best.
Bye. So guys. So guys. So finally you have witnessed Shrikar Teja, sir. So waiting for surprise. What are you waiting for? Which surprise you want? Any guess with anyone? Jeez, people started asking before the sir goes on this. Sir, surprise, surprise, very surprise. So what you people are expecting? What you may be expecting? Someone is asking personally. G, tell me separately. Right? Any guess? Anyone? No? I want to see your expressions on your video so that I can see your expressions. Then I can tell you. Oh, see guys, the surprise is so you people are like, some people are like shivering, like what is sir is going to tell. So guys, so thing is that I think so till now you have seen Kushal Sharma sir on that only faces. Now you people are the beginners. right? The beginners who are there, 5% also no problem. If you have joined today also no problem. You are going to get a chance to talk and learn from Kushal Sharma sir with him in after 25th, not now. Not now, after 25th. The best part is that you are going to learn from him. You are going to be directly connect with him, right? That's a crazy part. The person who is earning 8 lakhs per month, he is going to be your mentor, right? But only one condition, guys. Only one condition. Do you know what? He said only one thing. Muniji, I am ready to teach you, right? But you know, if anyone wants to, right, run with my speed, right? Suppose, see, like if a train is going with a speed of 120 kilometers, 150 kilometers speed. If you're going in beside an auto, if you're taking an auto and if you're going, what, how it looks, right? So same like that, sir said that if you want to join with my speed, if you people, anyone is ready to earn 1 lakh per month of income, like just one thing I want to from that people, the people who are going to be in consistency, for those people only that special training meet is available, only for that special people. The people who are going to take consistency, for all the consistency people, for you people only this training session, a special training session. And especially for the people who are going to take 100 PV, they are going to have an interaction session with the Kushal Sharma sir. See guys, he was really lot of busy. You have seen, I think so, softer hard training. I requested him and I talked to him, sir, like this was the thing. He told me only one thing, Muniji, you tell me, my busy schedule is more. How can I talk with your team and how can I make? Sir, one thing, sir, I can give you a promise, right? The people who are doing 100 PV consistency, they will talk. Then I am excited. So sir was excited. The people who are be doing consistency, you will be having a chance to attend his special training session. And you know the best part, the people who are doing 100 PV consistency, you are going to get connected with him, because you know why? Sir said right now, just now, if you are going to be consistent enough, then only you are going to get income. See, without key, how can you open lock? Now if you are going to with a key, he will show you how to open a lock. Now you are having lock and you are having lot of bunch of keys. You are having bunch of keys. Either I have to do 30 PV or 10 PV, 5 PV, either I have to do or not, either I have to do 100 PV. You are having bunch of keys. He will show you the right key, which if you keep, that lock will be open immediately. So that means fastest way to earn 1 lakh and fastest way to become successful and a skillful and amazing person. Today, you know guys, today if I am today such a person, if I'm in a contact with such an amazing people, in the big people, the reason is only him. He, once you know, if you touches with him, I think so you will be amazed. You will be promoted like anything to entire India. You will not be famous in your hometown only. You will be famous in entire India. Think out. Not only in India, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, because he's having teams there also. He'll promote you people there if you are connected with him. Such an amazing thing, an amazing chance you're going to get. See, it was really awesome session, guys. You know, many people tells me, sir, if I want to meet Kushal sir, na, see, some people, I think so, the people who have attended software hard training, I can see them. Some people are crying to talk with him, fighting like anything. Sir, please select me, please select me. But still they didn't get 3-4 minutes of chance. But you're going to get half an hour and 1 hour of chance to get a train with him. That's it. That's called amazing, right? See, it's very, we are very lucky. And I don't know who is that lucky guy who is going to do consistency. Everyone, if you are at 5%, if you're joining today, or if the person who is going to join tomorrow, also no problem. Till 25th is the deadline, because consistency is going to complete on 25th. People who are going to do 100 PV consistency, they are going to get that thing, because I said, right, that is a permanent thing. So that means you're going to be permanent. So SAR is also permanent. So he is going to give you permanent success. 60 PV, you are all are eligible. And 30 PV, sorry my dear friends, below 60 PV people, you are not eligible. Sorry, there will be a password restricted, and you will be only for those people the password will be sent. Link will be sent for everyone, but password will not be sent for everyone. So that's up to you guys. See, amazing part. See, that's what, here comes the real people. Here comes the real dedicated people. That means you're not investing any money also here. You're just buying your products. That's the crazy part, right? So buy the product which are useful for you, and then amazing things. Right, get ready. I'm really excited after 25th what he is going to learn, because see, I didn't work with him in a beginner level. I didn't work with him beginner level, but I'm telling you one thing, if you be with him now, just you, the reason behind me, why earn 1 lakh in 6 months with consistent like this growth, because of his just 2 minutes of talk daily, just 2 minutes of daily. Just I spend 2 minutes of talk with him in daily basis. Now you are going to get 1 hour of chance to learn with him. Oh my God, very lucky people. I think so. In 6 months, you will not beat 36,000. You will beat 1 lakh. You will beat 1 lakh. I think so. Many of the people are like except me, Vasanji, Harishji, Abdulji, and some other people. Many people are in first year, second year, third year. Are yaar, people are getting. I mean, crying for getting 1 lakh per year only. Now you people are going to get 1 lakh per month. That's called amazing. Let us see who is that lucky people. So this was a surprise, and we are going to. I think so. Some of the people already have taken consistency, right? You know, guys. I will tell you one thing. There was a person here. I'll introduce you that person because I'm going to show you a real example. Abdulji, yeah, okay, no problem. Abdulji, you can stop recording.